iPhone SE Plus concept packs best iPhone X features into smaller device. Think the iPhone X screen is still too big? Well, this concept might be just what you need. By combining some of the design elements of the iPhone SE with the edge-to-edge display of the iPhone X, Curved's latest concept is absolutely drool-worthy. Dubbed the iPhone SE Plus, this beautiful concept comes with a 4.7-inch display while taking advantage of one of Apple's best ever designs. With an OLED screen, iPhone SE Plus would pack more pixels than its predecessor and pick up some new facial recognition features too. There's room for true depth cameras on the front to facilitate Face ID. On the back, you'll find the dual lens setup that makes portrait mode and portrait lighting possible. Add an A11 Bionic processor, some more RAM and a slightly bigger battery, and this could be the ultimate phone for a lot of Apple fans that want the latest features without having to sacrifice on pocket space. Obviously 4.0-inch display is tiny, and I would even go as far as to say it is too small to be of any practical use in today's context, but the edgeless treatment did give the reimagined iPhone SE a bump in display department, to 4.7-inch, and doing so while keeping within the same footprint. The cool factor here is immense. Imagine a super pocket-friendly size of 123.8 by 58.6 by 7.6 mm, 4.87 by 2.31 by 0.30 inches, but with a large 4.7-inch display. Imagine. Curved Labs also proposed updating the display to an OLED item to afford it with higher resolution that sips on energy. Curved/Labs iPhone SE also sees the fictional device losing the home button in favor of Face ID, and along with it, you get the true depth camera system necessary for Face ID nested between the software status bar, like it is on the iPhone X. Around the back, it features a dual camera setup, but thanks to the practical thickness of the SE, you won't find the annoying camera bump like it was on iPhone 6 to iPhone 8.